Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Mel back with another video. I'm super excited about this one. We are making some tilapia and shrimp tacos with cabbage and a special little sauce. The best way to explain it is it's like a tzatziki sauce. So if you like tzatziki, you're gonna love this sauce. So you're gonna start off with 1/4 cup of water and then 1/4 cup of olive oil. This sauce is gonna be made with like cilantro, garlic, lime. It's really, really good, and sour cream as well. We're going to add in the green onion, then the cilantro, and then the recipe said 2 cloves of garlic, but you know, we had to add about 5. So we're going to put the garlic in, and then we'll add the lime in there. Now, the utensil that I use, y'all, I know I really be trying to be fancy, but I really suggest using this because it makes juicing your limes and lemons and oranges or whatever so much easier. You get every drop of juice. So, yeah, I just suggest it. We're going to put some salt in as well. I put it in my hand. Your girl was nervous, okay? I thought I was going to dump the whole thing in there. So I was like, you know what? Let me just pinch it in. This is actually my first time making this sauce, guys. And again, it was so good. So we're going to put in some black pepper. Now, if you're on a diet and you do not want to use sour cream, you can actually use Greek yogurt as well. So like I said, if you don't want to use something so fattening, go ahead and use some Greek yogurt. It'll probably taste about the same, to be honest. So we're going to blend this up, y'all. Oh my gosh, it was so good. So you're actually going to use this to marinate your cabbage in. And also you're going to set some aside so you can put some on top of your tacos as well. But yeah, I taste tested it. It needed a little bit of salt. But other than that, I was like, ooh. I like tangy, citrusy, limey stuff, and I love cilantro and garlickiness. So if that's up your alley, then this is perfect for you. Trust me. Don't be scared of it. It is so good. I'm not a huge fan of sour cream like at all, but I really loved it paired with the other ingredients. So I'm super excited about this. I hope you guys can try it and like it too. So yeah, I'm just taking all this stuff out. I'm gonna put it into my cabbage. I was a little nervous at first about how much I wanted to put into the cabbage, but I put a lot. And you're actually going to have this sit in the refrigerator and let it sit while you're making everything else. That's why I'm making it first, because I wanted to give it time to sit. And you also want to give time for your sauce to kind of like set as well, because I did notice after it was refrigerated for a while, it kind of thickened up a little bit. So, ooh, that's so pretty. I love fresh flavors and fresh food and stuff that you can just make from scratch and is not store-bought. So, yeah, I just keep mixing it all in. I make it real, you know, wok, wet-ass cabbage. Yeah, so we're going to put some to the side. We're going to pop this in the refrigerator and move on. So here I just wanted to show y'all really quick what I put in my pico, because I'm going to chop it up, but I'm not going to chop it on camera. So we have tomatoes, red onion, cilantro, lime, salt, and pepper. That is literally all I use. I just wanted to show you guys the ingredients really quick. And then I'm going to show you the finishing product after I chop it all up. I feel like chopping is a little boring, so I didn't want to bore y'all. Here we go. Ooh, look how pretty, baby. So I decided I was going to put a little bit of taco sauce in it. Hot sauce. It's mild. It's kind of like what you can buy at Taco Bell. Just to give it a little kick, I added just a little bit. It makes all of the difference in the world. If you don't do this, you need to start. All right, next is the fun part. We are actually going to make a dry rub and use it for our tilapia. And I'm also going to put some sofrito. If you want my sofrito recipe, just let me know. Put it in the comments below and I'll let you guys know. But you're going to rub this on to your tilapia. Now, the tilapia and shrimp is going to have a kick to it, okay? Like a little kick, but it's so good. Trust me, trust me. So if you don't like spicy, I don't really suggest this recipe. And if you still want to do the recipe, I would say maybe take out the Cayanne Pepper, and that'll probably help it out a little bit. So we're going to use the Chilli Lime rub. Again, we're making our own little spicy rub. I didn't realize this was brand new, guys. I thought it was my one that I already had opened. I was kind of upset about that, but I had to keep it going for the video. You feel me? You got to keep it cute. Got to play it off. Did you notice? No, you didn't. Okay, so chili lime rub. Then we got some smoked paprika. And then we're going to put the whole pack of Sazon. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. All right, some adobo. You know, the regular onion powder, garlic powder, Cayenne pepper, all that good stuff. Oh, the onion powder was new too. So your girl was struggling with a K. Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. Just love me. But look, we're back in action, baby. Like I said, garlic powder, cayenne pepper. This is what gives it like the kick. And then the black pepper. And then we're going to put a little bit of taco seasoning in there too. Okay, I use my mouth. Don't tell nobody. Coronavirus. Comment down below. No, never mind, bye. I was going to say, comment down below if you've had COVID. Okay, so we're going to use this to rub. Rub, rub, rub. You got to start making love to your meat. You know how they say you got to talk to your plants? You got to make love to your food when you're cooking it. I feel like that's why my food comes out good, because I be putting love into it. Look at me. Rubbing it in, baby. I ain't even playing with these things. Yeah, lift it up, get all the corners and everything. And that's it. Look how pretty. All right, y'all. All right, so now we are going to fry our tilapia. I have it on medium-high heat. And I just wanted to show you guys how I did it. Nothing too special, nothing too crazy. I put some olive oil in the pan. I'm dancing because I'm excited and it smells good. But yeah, you're just going to fry it for a couple of minutes on both sides until, I mean, you guys should know how to cook fish. If you don't know how to cook fish by now, let me know in the comments. I guess I'll make a video on how to cook this properly, but I mean, I just feel like it's kind of easy. You just pay attention to it, flip it over, keep flipping it over until you feel like it's fully cooked through and through, but nothing too crazy, honestly. I'm going to cook all this fish and I'm going to set it down on a side dish, and then I'll show you guys what I do with it after it's cooked. I don't know why I decided to make this part so long, so I guess maybe I'm going to show you how I flip it. I hope I don't, because I know I messed up. My flip was not good, but you know what? Let's roll with it. We're going to roll with it. I'm pretty sure I'll show you guys how I flip it, though. That's me checking it. So, to see how cooked it is. And you always want to move it around so that it doesn't stick. So, just make sure you got some movement on your fish when you're cooking it. And make sure you got a good amount of oil in the pan as well. So, see, look. Oh, okay. Whew, we got it. Y'all, I never said I was perfect. Do not come in my comments trashing me. Please don't. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys really quick what the fish was looking like, baby. Whoo, that looks so good. You guys probably hear the girls in the back. Please don't mind them. Nova and Lils is having a party. But yeah, this is how it looks. So now you just want to break down your fish just a little bit. Don't break it down too much, like into crumbles, because you kind of want to have some chunks to put in your tacos. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that as well. So now we are going to handle the shrimp the same exact way we handled the tilapia. The only difference is we are going to add minced garlic to the shrimp. We did not add that to the fish. Also, guys, I don't know why, but my video skipped and didn't show me adding the dry rub, but I promise you I did nothing different. So just mix all that stuff together, and also make sure that you chop. I use large shrimp and I cut it into pieces. So that's why it looks like that. But yeah, look at it. It's so beautiful. And then this is just a really short clip. So I did not clean my pan. I left all the little fish crusties in the pan because it has all the flavor in it. I added some olive oil to the pan. And I'm just going to cook my shrimp how we normally would cook shrimp. Make sure you don't overcook it. You don't want to have like rubbery shrimp. So yeah, that's just me frying it up. You probably won't see the finished product, but I just wanted to show you guys how I cooked it and fried it up on the pan. Rachel Ray. Shout out to Rachel Ray Potts, baby. So now that the meats are done, guys, I have my whole little setup. I have spinach wraps because I'm trying to eat a little healthier these days. Not saying that this meal is healthy, but just trying to use healthier substitutes. But as you can see, we are using Codija cheese. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's so good. And then I got some avocado, some extra lime to squeeze on top, and some cilantro. Right now I'm adding my cabbage and my pico. But I just wanted to show you guys how I put the taco together. When I tell you guys, this was so good. I just can't even put it into words. So I hope you guys like it. And I really hope you guys tell me if you use this recipe, because I don't know, I just want feedback. I want to see if you guys like it. But this is the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it was a little long, but I hope you enjoyed it. Thank y'all.